If you want to eject SIM tray from OPPO Reno 15 Pro and insert your SIM cards, then first of all we're gonna take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find the SIM tray. Now over here, right next to the SIM tray, you have this SIM tray hole, and you don't want to mistake it with this hole over here, which is between the SIM tray and the USB-C port, because this is the microphone. You want to avoid it, because if you insert the SIM eject tool into that hole, then you will probably damage the microphone. So you want to use this hole over here, and you want to put the SIM eject tool that you can find inside the box and just place it into that hole. And then once that eject tool is inside that hole, you want to apply a little bit of pressure, push it into the phone so that the SIM tray slightly pops out. Now you're gonna use your fingernails and then fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. Now you want to, of course, remember which side is the up side. You can also see that it says face to screen, so SIM card number 1 is the front. So we're gonna insert our SIM card. We just have to match the shape of the SIM card slot and just put it all the way in, and make sure that the SIM card is indeed fully in and it doesn't stick out, because you will have trouble with inserting the SIM tray back into the phone. On the reverse side, we can also find the SIM slot number 2, so we can insert it over here. I'm just gonna insert the second SIM card as well. Alright, so now we can put it back into the phone. Let's take a look. Let's put it all the way in. In my case, actually my SIM card slightly popped out. Now we can just put it back in. There we go, and make sure that it goes fully in. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.